to create a new material, select the Create Material button in the top right-hand corner. First, you will be asked to select a material from the drop-down. This is your global list of materials which you'll create in the settings. Next, you'll be asked to select a source supplier. This list is also global and will be created in the settings. If you utilize Digital Manifest, you will insert the profile ID here. If you do not have one, you can move on to fill out the rest of the form. We can now move on to Unit of Measure. You will be asked to select a unit of measure from the drop-down menu. We can now move on to Cost. You have the choice to select Split Cost as on or off. If you turn Split Cost on, you will have to enter the material cost and transport cost separately. Splitting them up will allow you to reconcile separate invoices between your materials, your suppliers, and your transporters. If you choose to unselect Split Cost, you will be asked to enter the total cost. After completing your total cost, you now have the option to add a markup percentage to the total cost. This percentage will be added to the total cost automatically if you choose to add it. Once completed all required fields, you can now select Create. You have successfully created your first project material in Livegistics.